Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this practical video, I will guide you for steel reinforcement details in the construction of floor beam which length is 25 feet. So let's get started guys. You can see guys the depth of this beam is 18 inches with concrete cover, width is 12 inches. And we have 3 numbers of steel rods at the bottom, 3 at the top, dia is 16 millimeter. Guys, you can see this is the other beam which is short span, and you can see guys they didn't provide development length at the end of this beam, which is very important to make a good bond between steel and concrete. Next guys, you can see we have 3 numbers at the bottom, 3 at the top. Dia is 16 millimeter. Stirrups dia is 8 millimeter with the spacing of 6 to 9 inches. Here guys, you can see the spacing is 6 inches at the distance of L by 4. Hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree to resist with earthquake. And the hook's length should not be less than 3 inches. This is short beam and the length is 16 feet. But they didn't follow the steel structural design. Therefore, they provided 3 numbers at the bottom, 3 at the top. They don't know about steel structure design also. They don't know that what is the structure load for this 4-story commercial building. Size of column is 12 by 18 inches with concrete cover, and they used here 8 numbers of steel rods. Dia is 16 millimeter. They didn't follow the steel structural design because they don't have now. This is the junction between beam and column. Only in one beam they provided crank bar to resist negative bending moment. At the distance of L by 4, they should provide extra steel rods. They provided here 2 numbers of extra steel rods only in one beam. If you see, the other one is empty here. That's why, because they didn't provide extra steel rods to resist negative bending moment. Only 6 numbers of steel rods in this beam. This is the other beam. You can see guys, we have 3 numbers in upper portion. 2 bars are crank bar, which is provided at the distance of L by 4 at the angle of 55 degree. And you can see the stirrup spacing is 6 inches and hooks are not provided on 135 degree. Length of this longer beam is 28 feet. This is under construction. They didn't provide the side bars. Before starting the video, I asked from the laborers, especially from the steel fixers. They don't have steel structural drawing, but this is 4-story commercial building. If you are working on construction sites, so especially be careful for steel structural design. If you